Hi friends, Shekhar Dhawan and David Warner Test and ODI and T20 comparison. Personal information: Shekhar Dhawan and David Warner. One birth date: December 5, 1985. David Warner birth date: October 27, 1986. Current age: Shekhar Dhawan 35. Warner current age 34. Dhawan height 5.11. David Warner height 5.7. Dhawan weight 71 kgs. David Warner weight 65 kg. Shekhar Dhawan jersey number 42. David Warner jersey number 31. Shekhar Dhawan batting style: left-handed batsman. David Warner batting style: left-handed batsman. Shekhar Dhawan bowling style: right arm off breaker. David Warner bowling style: right arm left breaker. Shekhar Dhawan batting order: opening. David Warner batting order: opening. Shekhar Dhawan team: India. David Warner team: Australia. Test records comparison: Dhawan and Warner. Dhawan test debut: Australia 2013. Test debut: Warner New Zealand 2011. Dhawan matches 34. David Warner matches 86. Shekhar Dhawan innings 58. Warner innings 159. Dhawan total runs 2315 runs. David Warner total runs 7311 runs. Shekhar Dhawan average 40.60. David Warner average 48.10. Shekhar Dhawan strike rate 66.90. David Warner strike rate 72.70. Highest score of Shekhar Dhawan 190. Highest score of David Warner 335. Centuries and half centuries of Dhawan: 7 centuries and 5 half centuries. Warner centuries and half centuries: 24 centuries and 30 half centuries. Dhawan sixes and fours: 12 sixes, 316 fours. Warner sixes and fours: 56 sixes and 859 fours. Shekhar Dhawan and David Warner audio cricket comparison. Audio debut: Shekhar Dhawan, Australia 2010. David Warner audio debut: South Africa 2009. Shekhar Dhawan matches 142. David Warner matches 128. Shekhar Dhawan innings 139. David Warner innings 126. Shekhar Dhawan total runs 5977. David Warner total runs 5455. Shekhar Dhawan average 45.30. David Warner average 45.10. Strike rate: Shekhar Dhawan 93.90. David Warner strike rate 95.50. Highest Shekhar Dhawan 143. David Warner highest 179. Centuries and half centuries: Dhawan 17 centuries, 32 half centuries. David Warner centuries and half centuries: 18 centuries, 23 half centuries. Sixes and fours: Dhawan 71 sixes, 748 fours. David Warner sixes and fours: 85 sixes, 571 fours. Dhawan and Warner T20 comparison. T20 debut: West Indies 2011. David Warner T20 debut: South Africa 2009. Shekhar Dhawan matches 64. David Warner matches 81. Dhawan innings 63, David Warner innings 81. Shikhar Dhawan total runs 1673 runs. David Warner total runs 2265 runs. Shikhar Dhawan average 27.90. David Warner average 31.50. Strike rate Shikhar Dhawan 127.70. Strike rate David Warner 139.70. Highest score Shikhar Dhawan 92. Highest score David Warner 100. Centuries and half centuries Shikhar Dhawan 0 centuries and level of centuries. David Warner centuries and half centuries 1 century and 18 half centuries. Sixes and fours of Shikhar Dhawan 49 sixes, 182 fours. David Warner sixes and fours 89 sixes, 219 fours.